Today we're building, Today we're building a geodesic dome using Magidome connectors. Okie dokie! To get started, you'll need 11 Magidome connectors, 25 equal length pieces of lumber, and some fasteners. Cut the lumber equally at both ends. Fit the lumber into the connector so that it's flush to the end. Great. Pre-drill the holes and start building your frame. And once you got your base, you're ready to build up. And your dome is ready for whatever you have in store.